Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I am Emily Loma Morales, 41 years old, married. I live in Ginobatan, Albay.
Do you have kids?
I have 4 kids, ages 21, 16, 8, and 6.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings, and I am the eldest.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I am college undergrad, and I took a bachelor in elementary education.
Why did you not finish your college?
I didn't finish because my parents cannot afford the tuition fee.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have 7 years. I work in the United Arab Emirates for 2 companies as a sales representative, makeup artist, and during my free time, I also work as a tutor, nanny, and an on-call cleaner.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have 3 years up until now.
And your duties are?
My duties are cleaning, doing the laundry, cooking, and taking care of pets.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have at the upper right back of my body.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to give a better future for my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Okay. Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will stay calm and talk to him or her in a calm voice.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you give me chance to be part of your family, I promise to be hardworking, trustworthy, and responsible. Thank you.
Thank you.